most special moment of our life, guys. Hey guys! For today's video, another video na naman. So tara, samahan nyo na naman ako. Let's go! For today's video guys, ito pa yung part 2 ng stay namin sa Dakak. Guys, ito yung room namin guys.
Pero preguntaan na yung stay, siya pwede.
So after ng counting orientation, ito pala yung map ng Dakak. Share ko lang po. Hey, what's up guys? This is our lavatory. At dito, chinek na Herald kung may tunog ba. Damn! May tunog nga. Nanang bayot. At dito guys, counting chikahan with the boys guys. Walang girls dito guys kasi bawal yung boys dito guys. Ay, bawal yung girls dito guys. Paulit-ulit na lang. Basta, yun na yun. Nag-usap lang kami. Uy, tayo sa doy. Nice. Guys, nakaretouch sa amin. At dito guys, papunta na kami sa 5-star restaurant naming kakainan. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Diba, basag kay kong tingog, no? Lah, yung pogi. Punyet.
Wait lang, guys.
Guys,
Yari na kami palupaso.
yari nami.
And welcome to El Paso.
Thank you, sir.
How's everybody?
Very good, sir.
Maganda, sir.
At dito na part guys, na-shock kami kasi marunong palang magbisaya si Chef. So after na introduction ni Chef guys, rekta na tayo sa main purpose kung bakit andito kami sa Dakak.
Dahil don't interrupt with the guest. Especially kung mga business guest natin.
And then nag-tutorial kasama si Chef. Guys, this is the most special moment of our life guys. Diba? Special talaga guys no? Kasi kainan na. So ito pala yung mga pagkain namin guys. At ito ay Italian cuisine. And disclaimer lang guys, dito na part guys, halos mukha ko na lang yung makikita nyo guys. Guys, kung nag-port nyo na guys, pwede nang pagsamuray guys. Pwede pang palo sa ulo guys. Kung ayaw nyo makita yung mukha ko guys, huwag nyo nang ituloy ang panonood. Let's try the fish guys. Lasang pinarito guys. Guys, let's try this.
Ano lang man?
Sila Herald lang. I don't know what yung pangalan nito guys. So dito guys, dahil nag-timelapse, kantahan ko na lang kayo. Dubi-dubi-dap-dap, dubi-dap-dap, dap-dap-dap, dap-dap. So this is an Italian style. Kami kay kaon sa mga liwang oh. Sobrang sarap guys! And super nice na experience guys kasi si Chef guys, kahit kumakain kami guys, ina-entertain niya kami guys at pinapasaya guys. Thumbs up! 5 star. Okay, buddy, anong masasabi mo sa overall experience?
Sarap. 10 out of 10.
The best! Nice. Paano uminom ng tubig ang mga yusa? Pwede din ganito guys. The problem is, balik ko guys. At dito guys, showcase nila guys ang skills nila guys kung gaano sila kadali gumawa ng pizza guys on the spot at mag-fruit carving. So, at tinikman natin guys at sobrang sarap. Hello Chef! Sige. Chef Efren the best! At andito si Naruto guys, kagibunching technique times 2. Diba? Dumami guys no? So up guys, thank you for watching and tune up for another video. Let's go!